Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited to be back filming, and for today's video we're going to be doing kind of a chit chat hair edition. I'm using this hair I received from Bestlacewigs.com, and I have here their Brazilian straight 360 lace frontal. We're going to go ahead and play around with this wig to see, you know, how we can like get it to lay. I did this myself. I literally just finished doing this like 2 minutes ago. I had to cornrow my hair. The next thing I'm going to go ahead and do will be to apply a wig cap. And when applying wig cap, I love to use a wig cap that is somewhat like close to my skin tone. I know this is kind of like brown, but for me I feel like the lighter one makes my wig really light, but this one kind of tones the wig down whenever I apply my wig on top of my wig cap. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead now and just place the wig on my head. Let's see what we are working with. And when I'm putting my wig, I always like to go like put it from the back. I don't know why. I'm just used to pulling my wig from the back and then try as much as possible to center it, you know, before I now go ahead and pull it all the way to the back. Wow, one thing I noticed with this wig is the fact that the lace is already bleached. I know I didn't show you guys, but as you all can see, like the frontal is already bleached, so you don't need to worry about bleaching it. Once I apply the wig, I like to go ahead and just lift it up so it will be out of the way, because you don't want to like apply your glue or whatever you want to apply and be struggling with your wig. Well, you guys know I love my got to be glued. I prefer this one to the yellow one. The yellow one, if you're not careful, it always leaves kind of a white residue on the face, but with this one I hardly ever have any problem with this. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this to take, you know, the amount of got to be glued I want, and then I love to go ahead and spray the gel with this freeze spray and then start applying the glue where exactly I want to lay my lace wig. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead with my blow dryer now and dry the glue, and you want to dry it up to the point that, you know, it gets a little bit tacky. You don't want it too dry, you know, you want it kind of tacky, and then you know it's ready to get your wig applied on it. I know I forgot to tell you, you have to use it on cool, not hot, cool. Alright, so it's somewhat tacky, and I'm going to go ahead now and lift the wig down. I'm going to press it onto the glue. Alright, so the next thing I like to go ahead and do is to go in with a scarf and use it to just tie down the hair, and I like to leave this on for probably like 2 to 3 or 4 minutes, and this is going to help the hairline, you know, lay like completely down. I'm going to go ahead and untie the band. So as you all can see, everything is laying, so I'm going to go ahead now and just fix my baby hair. And I love to go in with a toothbrush and use it to comb out my baby hair, so at least I'll be able to know what I'm working with. Still going to go in with got to be, and I will apply it right on my brush and use it to just set the baby hair. I'm just going to use my brush and brush it all back. Okay, so you can wear this hair anyhow you want it, in a half up, half down, ponytail, anyhow, but let's try and wear it down. And I'm just going to section off the hair like where I want my pattern to go. And if you get the wig that is giving you problem parting it, all you need to do is to get a spray bottle, and this one is actually like a fragrance body spray bottle, and you just need to add water and then use it to spritz on the hair, and this is going to help it like relaxed, and then you go in with a hair scarf and just tie it, and by the time you remove the hair scarf, everything will be laying. You know, you'll be able to create that pattern you want. I left it on for like 5 minutes, and I'm gonna go ahead now and untie it. And yes, once you do that, you know, your pattern will stay, you know, without going nowhere. Yeah, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'm going to leave every info regarding Bestlacewigs in my description box, so definitely try and check out this company. Like, I'm really loving this hair, and also for the fact that that it's not too long. As you all can see, it's like 18 inches. So let me just stand up so you see this is exactly like where it ends. It's not, you know, excessively long, which I absolutely love. Yeah, you guys, I believe that is it. I hope you all enjoyed, and till my next one, I will see you all very soon.